I need to change calibration solution A, because it's now insufficient. As you can see, the calibration solution A is not enough, so I need to change it. First, get a new reagent, and make sure that you will get the one with the closest expiration date. Open the cap. Get the tube and transfer it to the new reagent. Press Cancel. Then go to Maintenance and click Replace Reagent Pack. Then press OK. Sample aspirating will take some time, then the machine will automatically calibrate after. When calibration is done, go to Maintenance and do distilled water flushing 3 times. Then the machine is now good to use.